up, everybody? So, since I started this channel, the number one thing I hear comments about, or the thing that you've been requesting, has been all about my skincare routine. So today is the day. Thank you so much for all the love that you've shown me, all the flattering comments. Today we're gonna talk all things skincare and what my daytime routine is when I get up in the morning. These are all the things I use. Check it out. I love beauty products. Like, I can be like a hoarder. If I open this drawer right now, I have way too many beauty products. You do not want to see it under my sink. Like, I could open up a drugstore, like a toiletry section. But I have learned over the years that I have incredibly sensitive skin and I can't use just anything. So instead of freaking out that my face is bright red and I have bumps all over it because I went and tried a million different products, I now stick to the same things, and most of it is specifically for sensitive skin. So when I wake up in the morning, I like to use IS Clinical Face Wash. It's the cleansing complex, and I love this so much, mainly because it is very gentle on my skin, but at the same time it removes any buildup from some of the night creams I could have put on the night before, or makeup as well. So I love this. I actually found out about this from Shani Darden, who's an incredible esthetician here in LA, and she told me about this when I found out that I had rosacea. She told me that it was gonna be perfect for me and gentle enough. Love her for that. But if we're keeping it real, sometimes I do go to sleep with my makeup on, and even if you wash it off, sometimes your skin still feels like dull. So I like to wake my face up in the morning if I've slept with makeup on by using a light, gentle scrub. Again, specifically for sensitive skin. I don't play that. My face will be like, "Rawr, why did you do this to me?" So my favorite is by Lancer, who's an incredible dermatologist in Beverly Hills. And this is called the Method Polish. And again, it is specifically for sensitive, dehydrated skin. I also have really dry skin, and that happened when I moved here to LA. I used to not always have dry skin, but then I got out here to the desert, and there's no humidity in the air, people, so my skin has gotten dry over the years. And this is perfect for that. So I use this to take off my makeup. But you guys, oh my God, the cost-effective version of this that I actually have in my shower at my dressing room at the Real is Aveeno's Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub, which I love as well. So this is like a great, affordable version to the Dr. Lancer. So I'm the kind of girl that washes my face in the shower every morning. I don't know if you guys use the sink. I get really weird about that with the water running down my elbows. So I jump in the shower in the morning, wash and exfoliate my face, and then when I get out, I move on to my lip scrub, which I personally love. French Girls Rose Lip Polish. How cute is this? You know I love anything French. They got me with the name French Girl, but the product is actually really dope. And I also love anything that is rose infused. So this is their rose lip polish, and I'm gonna show you how I use it. Because this part I can show you because I'm not naked in the shower, you feel me? It's a PG-13 YouTube channel. Okay, so I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell how amazing this smells. Okay, so you just grab a little bit just like this and place it on your lips. I'm a super freak about having smooth, soft lips. Again, this is a gentle scrub because, again, my lips are also very sensitive. Scrub any skin off of your lips. This is really important, especially when you're gonna put lipstick on, when you're prepping your face to put on makeup. This is a super important part, especially if you're wearing matte lipstick or you have been wearing matte lipstick, because that tends to really dry out your lips. So this is going to infuse moisture back into them, slough off any dead skin, and now you've got like the perfect surface to apply your new lipstick for the day. Grab a washcloth, and then you're just gently going to wipe away the scrub. Oh my God, why does that taste so good though? Do not eat the scrub, like me. So just like that, voila. Okay guys, moving right along, now that my lips have been scrubbed, now it's time to moisturize them. I believe in the old tried and true, good old Carmex. I know, like, this is super old school, good old drugstore find, but I love it. I love the fact that it's got that tingle factor to it. Feels amazing to me, and I always have one of these by my nightstand and in my purse. Carmex for the win. So you're gonna put some of that on there. I also feel like the slight tingle and burn that Carmex has also creates a nice little flushed look on your lips. So I tend to feel like my lips are gray. So I feel like when I add Carmex, it makes them a little red looking. I'm sure that's because they're being irritated, but whatever, feels great. I feel like Carmex almost has like a lip plumping factor to it. So now that I've got that on there, I'm just gonna let that soak in. And now that my lips are moisturized, now it's time to prep the skin. I like to start using the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. You guys, this smells incredible. It smells like what like wakes up your skin. We all can't figure out what it smells like. We've tested, nobody can figure out. It's like eucalyptus, tea tree oil smelling, peppermint, morning vibes, but it's the perfect thing to wake up your skin in the morning. Love it. And they also have a travel size version of this at like Sephora that I like to travel and take on the plane with me as well. So love, love, love this stuff. So shake it up. It actually has like a little layer of oil in the top that you want to mix. So shake it, and then you're just going to spray it just like that. Say hello, good morning world. Yes, my skin is waking up. Oh, that feels so good. We're now gonna add our moisturizer. I heard this trick from somewhere. Can't exactly where I read this, but you should always put your moisturizer on when your skin is slightly damp. It actually helps absorb and lock in the moisture. So I love to use, this is my favorite moisturizer ever. It is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer, and it's for all skin types. But what I love most about this is I went through a really, really hard time where my skin was being irritated by every single thing I put. Literally, my skin burned if I put like anything on it. So it took me a while to find something that didn't irritate my skin, but still kept it really, really moisturized and dewy. And that's when I found good old Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer, my favorite. And this also comes in a travel size that I carry as well. I like to put a lot of moisturizer on, so about that much. Rub it in my hands together. Really get in there like this. Get around my mouth, my nose, my dry areas, all the way up to my forehead. Make sure you get your neck as well. You're always supposed to do your neck in an upward motion, right? Upward motion. But yeah, okay. Oh, I love that. This feels so good. Take time to show your skin some love. Get in there. As I've gotten older, I now understand the importance of SPF, and I have found a product that I love, 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 because even though you put makeup on top of obviously your moisturizers and your SPF, sometimes the SPF still has that white, pasty look to it that still comes through from under your makeup, which is why I'm obsessed with Glossier's Invisible Shield. When I went on vacation with my family to the Cayman Islands, everyone else was walking around with like literally white face. It looked insane, covered in SPF and like sunblock. And I was popping. I was just, using my invisible shield, walking around, minding my business, and it works, and I love it. And it also was in What's in My Beach Bag episode. So if you didn't check that out, check that out. Okay, so here we go. So now I'm just gonna put, like, let's say 2 pumps of that right there, just like that. And I like to mainly focus on the areas where I know I get sun. For instance, my cheeks and my forehead are like my main focus. So I'm just gonna really make sure that I got it on there, and anything else that's left over I'll add. But I really wanna focus on the bridge of my nose. I never used to wear SPF, like ever. And I have learned the importance of it, not just for youthful skin, but for health purposes. Even if it's a cloudy day outside, even if it's the middle of the winter, you should always wear SPF. So glad I found this product that I love, and now I am officially an SPF user. Boom. Done. On to the next. Now that the moisture is all locked in, now we're gonna depuff. So I love using, God, I say love a lot. Love. Oh, love. Since you guys have been commenting that I say love a lot, I'm switching it up here. Girl, I like this right here. This I like a lot. Okay, so I really do love KNC Beauty's eye patches. I actually used this during the Emmy Awards. When I was Emmy prepping, I was like, look girl, you might win something today. Even though we really didn't think you were gonna win. I was like, you might as well show up looking like a winner. And I used these to prep. And first of all, can we just talk about the packaging and how freaking cute this is? I love this. This is so cute. It's like moons and it's glittery. It comes in this bag like this. And pretty much you're going to put, it's like a moon and a star. And I love that it's glittery and gold. And I just add that to like where your tear duct is. And you can go all the way up, just like that. How cute is that? I feel like Rainbow Bright. Any other 80s babies remember Rainbow Bright? I love the cooling factor of these eye patches. They really do make you look awake and alive and take down any puffiness you might have in the morning. Oh, a fun tip. If you really, really want like a depuffing effect, put these in the fridge. When you wake up in the morning, put them on your eyes to even have even more like decompressing effect when they're nice and cold. So I'm gonna put my other one on the other side. Make sure that you get all the juice that's in the tray too. There's like juice in there. You wanna make sure that you get all of that. Get all that good stuff. I'm gonna place this again by your tear duct. And just like that. Come on, you know this is cute. This is like Instagrammable. Okay, so these are gonna stay on my eyes, and we are moving right along to Derma Rolling. Yes, I know that you guys have seen these probably on social media. This is a jade roller. I got it on Amazon for like $9. So at this point, while I am depuffing my eyes with my KNC eye mask, now I am going to take this out of the fridge. Again, just a really great tip. When it's cold, it feels amazing. So hopefully you've popped these in the fridge. They're not cooling your eyes down. Take this out of the fridge and begin to derma roll. Now, the key is what I use this for is mainly taking away any puffiness that I might have in my cheeks. A lot of people will be like, oh my God, she has fillers in her cheeks. I don't want a fat face, people. Like that is not, I naturally have really, really fat cheeks. So this is like almost like contouring before contouring. So I'm gonna derma roll my face by like contouring my cheekbones just up this way because I don't want this to be all round. Now that we're done derma rolling, we can now remove these patches, but you actually should keep them on for 15 to 20 minutes. Find something to do during that time. Do your hair, scroll through IG, make a coffee, a smoothie, go for a walk, pick out your outfit. This list could go on and on. Do what you want. Keep them on for 15 to 20 minutes. At this point, I'm gonna remove them just like that. Oh, yes. Feeling oh so refreshed. And now we are going to, if you want, you actually can go back in with the smaller side of your derma roller. And you're gonna go up on your eyes as well. And you can derma roll your eyes with the smaller part. Again, going inward and outward. I actually saw a YouTube video about derma rolling and how you shouldn't go back and forth. You should only go in one direction. So you're gonna go up, 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 as opposed to back and forth, back and forth. So derma rolling all done. Now for our last step, you're gonna add your eye cream. This is actually a hydrating eye gel by Olay. And I love it because, again, you guys, the feels, all the feels. Another product that you can put in the fridge and it feels amazing when it's cooled, which would then make it like a cooling eye gel, which sounds really cool. And doesn't it look like it should be cool? The color and everything? Okay, so you're pretty much gonna take this, dab it, use your ring finger. So I learned about this. You should always use your ring finger when applying stuff to your eyes, concealer, eye creams, because I don't know why, but it's actually your most delicate and most gentle finger. Doesn't that just sound like you can control the weight of your other ones? I don't know why. This is what they say, ring finger. So I will use my ring finger to apply this Olay eye gel. And I kind of just put it more so towards the corners of my eye, which is what I really want to be depuffed. Just get in there. Oh my gosh, this feels so blue. So at this point, my face has been washed, exfoliated. We have plumped up my eyes and brightened and derma rolled. It's a lot going on. But at this point, I would just put on my makeup. So that was my morning skincare routine. I hope that it was worth the wait. I can't wait to hear some of your suggestions of some products that I should be using or products that you love to use in the morning. And guess what? There will be a nighttime skincare routine coming up, so wait for that. I can't wait to hear all your comments. Make sure you comment below and don't forget to subscribe.